This is the first winter storm of Berea, Kentucky. Snow is coming down, a little bit of ice. Storm is on its way. Don't know about work. If work's gonna be canceled, I'll probably be there anyway. I dread going out here scraping the cars. I believe there's a layer of ice underneath the snow. If it keeps this up, it's gonna be real bad. I ain't seen no salt trucks. It's about too cold to snow, but it's still coming down. Heavy. I mean, it sounds like rain. Just started about 15 minutes ago. I don't know if it's gonna do this all day, change over to sleet, rain, what? Freezing rain. First winter storm of the year, 2025. Y'all could hit that like and subscribe. I'll give you an update later on the weather here in Berea. Keep an eye on it. Let's get the snow shovels out. Traffic's still going as normal. I ain't seen no salt trucks at all.